Hello, you are watching PlusNik. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Handbrake software to compress your videos to make them Instagram friendly. Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how to install Handbrake software to compress Instagram videos before uploading them. At the first, you need to install .NET version 6 before installing Handbrake. You can download both of these zip files from the description part of this video. Handbrake software and .NET software. Okay, at the first, right click on .NET zip file and extract files. Then open the setup file proper with your system. For example, this one. Okay, install it and wait it to complete, and after completing, wait to complete, and after that you can install the Handbrake software. Okay, right click on it and extract files, and click on setup file and run as administrator. Click OK. No, next, install, and now you can launch the software from here, the shortcut. As you can see, the Handbrake software installed successfully. Thank you for watching this video.